welcome to the Wooden Spoon, powered by Baldevi and Vedini. So keep to coming. If you're wondering why I'm talking in Gujarati today, it's because I'm making the famous Gujarati Tuvar Dal. I hope you enjoy this. So for our Tuvar Dal, we have tuvar which I have boiled and mashed. It's been boiled with salt in a pressure cooker. I'm going to heat my pan, add in my ghee, once my ghee is hot, I'm going to add in my jeera and my rai and allow it to splutter. Once my jeera and rai is spluttering, I'm going to add in my methi or fenugreek seeds, my bay leaf, one small piece cinnamon and 2 cloves or long, some curry leaves and ghee. Today I'm using Vedini premium powder, which is a fantastic quality of ghee. Next goes in some ginger, grated ginger, and my boiled Tuvar Dal. I'm going to next add in some water. My Boria chilies. Next I'm going to throw in some boiled peanuts. Some tomatoes. Split green chilies, some red chili powder, some haldi or turmeric powder. I've got some kokum which has been soaked, some salt, and the star ingredient of a Gujarati Tuvar Dal is gold. So I'm going to add that in. Let my dal come to a boil. So dal has come to a boil. And we'll be ready to serve. I'm going to serve my Gujarati dal. I'm going to garnish my dal with just some coriander. And it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoy my Gujarati Tuvar Dal. Keep coming back for more. Do subscribe to the Wooden Spoon, powered by Baldevi and Vedini. Bye bye. See you.